True, my people. Do you know that I was just scrolling around social media? I heard that Ekpa was in court yesterday. Hey, and the funniest part is the attorney is unaware. Hey, your client dey for court. You no know say your client dey court. Make una dey play. I am watching the scenario with photo. Photo. Hey, my goodness, what a shame. This struggle that genuine people, they are fighting everywhere. Everybody's talking good about Biafra. Now some people come, they turn this wonderful this thing to caricature. Hey, my goodness. Aside that, they start suing one another. In fact, they finally sued Simon Ekpa to court. I am telling you the truth. They finally sued Simon Ekpa to court. How did they do it? They finally passed the message that everything they accuse Simon Ekpa of is truth. Because when you sued Simon Ekpa, Deputy Prime Minister, automatically you've already sued Simon Ekpa. The same thing happened in the time of Mazina Kanu. I told them, I said, if you accuse Simon Ekpa, automatically you've already accused Mazina Kanu. Today, what is happening? Today, what is happening? Oga Sue and Mrs. Sue, make una dey sue o, the right lawsuit o. We dey here dey watch the paro. We keep on updating everybody what is happening and how it is going. So thank you, and I'll be right back.